Grow is an experience. I am from Western Kansas, born and raised. In 2019, we were living in Pratt at the time. We became just really obsessed with plants. I wanted to build a greenhouse in our backyard. When I did that, I was also posting on social media, and the community of Pratt was like, are you gonna start selling these? That was not a venture of mine, but that really got me thinking in that direction, and I started looking into wholesale. We bought plants, put them in our greenhouse. I had a Facebook sale that weekend, and we sold out of all of our plants. So I quit my job, opened my greenhouse in my backyard in June of 2020, and then opened Grow Giesen Plant Shop. Grow is an experiential plant shop. We have a full coffee, cocktail, mocktail bar in the center, and then a DIY plant bar. So our DIY plant bar is always open when we're open. No reservations are needed. You can come in, build terrariums. You don't need a reservation. It's a multi-purpose space, so definitely for our terrarium building, for larger parties, for solo experiences. You can bring your kids in and create with them. Anywhere from whether you're just needing coffee, you want to have a happy hour moment, you want to create at our plant bar, shop our retail items. There really is something for everybody here.